Okay, this is my expert report. My name is Landon Taylor, and I'm doing it on the Battle of Bunker Hill. It takes place on the Charleston Peninsula on the north side of Boston Harbor. The two sides were the British troops of the Boston garrison against the troops of the American Continental Army. The generals were Major General Howe against General Artemus Ward and General Israel Putnam. Size of the armies, 2,400 British troops against 1,500 Americans. Let's get the show on the road. Think he's dead? Think he's dead now?
No.
Can I be alive now?
No. Now he's dead.
Hey, shut off the camera!